Hey, awesome question. How many watts are in each panel? All right, so each panel is 20 watts, 5 volt, 3 amp max out of the back USB ports that you see right there. Now, each panel alone hooked into the controller. Now, mind you, don't hook a panel into the controller without hooking the battery first. But if you do the whole order 3, you're going to have 2 extra controllers. And if you just want to see and have fun, if you put one panel into the controller, you're going to notice about 19 to 22 volts coming off just that one panel during the daylight. Now, 100 watts will charge a 12 volt, 100 amp hour battery in about 14 hours. A 12 volt, 100 amp hour battery can run an Energy Star efficient refrigerator for about 30 to 35 hours. So with that being said, these things are awesome. So just one panel alone with one controller running the 20 watts, 5 volt, max 3 amp output on the USB in the back is going to handle a lot of these TikTok shop items. If you notice when you go to turn them over, they're DC and their max draw is usually around 5 volts, 1.5 amps, which is these exact little controllers. Coincidence, maybe, I don't know. But I do know that everything from like air purifiers to battery packs to all this kind of stuff can be handled off just one little panel, which is what I started with, one panel, and it came with one controller. And a simple, little tiny, excuse me, battery. So I got this 25 bucks at this Walmart Tractor Supply. Tiny little 12 volt 8AH battery, 8,000 milliamp battery. It's kind of not the same as a battery pack, but it actually handled everything. So we use Verizon 5G home internet, the Cube. That only has a 1.5 amp draw. So when the power's out, we're good with the internet. And it was a really fun journey, but that is an awesome question. Each one is 20 watts. Now, mind you, this PWM controller pulse wave modulator is going to give you about 85% efficiency. And then it's not an MPPT controller, so there's a little bit of difference in that. But these are vastly more reliable just because they're a little simpler. So definitely take advantage of getting more than one panel. You can parallel connect them. There's another video I did on that. Hopefully that helps. This might be a drawn out answer, but hopefully it gives you a little bit of an answer what you're looking for. You can, and there's another video where I was showing charging my iPad Pro, my wife's Pixel 7 phone, things like that. So just off of one panel. But anyways, hope that helps, and yeah, stay free.